In this very quick video guide, we're going to see an answer, which is a tool that is part of Krea AI, which is artificial intelligence that we can use to enhance images, renderings for architecture and similar software like product visualization and arc visualization, etc., etc. So I can look for Krea an answer or Krea directly. We just need to get in the website. So I'm going to use one of these links like this, for example, and then you're going to be inside Krea. Now we already created another guide, but essentially first you need to join, you need to create an account with an email, really easy, and then you can access all the different tools. Now in this video, I want to concentrate on Enhancer. We already talked about the others, so let's go to Enhance and let's use the tool. And I already used it for like graphic design, like some realistic Santa Claus DJ or something like that. So I'm gonna delete those and we're gonna focus on another aspect, which is gonna be architecture. In this video, I'm gonna try with the exterior or interior. And you can create renderings using different software. And sometimes you don't have the time to make it like outstanding. So you can quickly improve them by using the enhance or enhancer in here. So I'm gonna navigate into the folder where I saved some of my visual made with Twinmotion, which is one of the best, I think, because it's really easy to use and contains a lot of assets and materials, etc. So you can do a lot of stuff like product design, like architectural models, visualization, product design, product visualization, architectural visualization, and much, much more. So I'm just going to get this image, which is not actually a rendering. This is a snapshot of the Twinmotion software. So what I'm going to do is like cut out everything I don't need and then use that to create a render. So I'm not actually creating the rendering using the render engine, but using the enhance. So I'm going to open up this with right click. I'm going to edit this image. You can do it also with Photoshop or Pixar or Canva or Adobe Express or whatever you want to use. So once I open this, I just want to cut the part that I don't need because this is again a screenshot of the software and I don't want the rest of the UI. I just want the middle. So I'm gonna crop out the rest and you can see that this will change the resolution as well. So this is not gonna be like a big render. It's gonna be, you know, kind of 1K resolution, so not really high. And that's another issue with renderings. To have better resolution, we need to increase the render settings and the render times. So I'm saving this. It's gonna be, the image where we're gonna start. So just gonna call this rendering, Twinmotion, real time, and there you go. So I cropped out everything I don't need, so we can concentrate on that. And I'm going to go and get that image from the folder. There you go. So I'm gonna open it in Krea and use now the enhancer. And you can see it becomes a little bit blurry and not so sharp because we have so few pixels. So select the image, upload the image, decide the upscaling you want to do. You can do 1K upscaling or 2K or 2 times. Well, I'm gonna use 2 times. It's gonna give me 2K resolution image. If you want to go more up, you need to sign up for the pro version. So I'm just going to use the free version here, 2 times 2 or 2K, and then click enhance. Now we just need to wait, and this changes according to the size and the complexity of the image. So just wait a little bit, and there you go. So we have now the result. Now, this line in the middle, this is a slider. We can slide this to see the before and after. So left side, we have before, right side, we have after. So we can immediately tell the difference. So if I scroll this line, you can see that the resulting image is, extremely more detailed. We have more details on the materials, and also it kind of generates stuff, it kind of invents stuff. from, nothing. So look at that wall that looks kind of, undefined. So you want to go there. It looks nice, and we have a pretty realistic material. So the enhancer will help you creating better materials, better lights, better reflections on the objects, and better characters, better details all around. So, it's a complete upscale, it's a complete lift up of everything that it's the original rendering. So everything looks better, way more realistic and defined. Now, I want to specify that this is not a rendering. This is not a ray tracing rendering. It's just the real-time visualization of Twinmotion. So you can get better results with a ray tracing rendering. But again, it costs a render time, and it costs, fatigue from the computer to create better rendering. So why not use an enhancer like this and just create, a really quick real-time render with Twinmotion, or you can do it also with Enscape, and there are others, or Blender also, or any 3D software can create renderings that you can then improve and make more outstanding using enhance feature here in Krea. Once you're ready, you can click on the little download button at the bottom and just save the new image with the new resolution, and it's gonna look way better when you're gonna present it to your client or your professor or your colleagues or your friends or whatever. So it's a PNG image. We're gonna save it, and then once it's finished, we can open it up and we can put it like full screen to see the full power. Now, another thing we can do is we can also try with the interiors. So architecture visualization is based on two main type of images. So exteriors, like we saw, and then we have interiors. Now again, if I go back in my Twinmotion folder, I can get a really bad, well, not really bad, but approximate interior, which doesn't look too realistic. Now a lot it's about the quality of the original image. So if the original image is really a bad quality, or really, not so defined, not so refined, well, Enhance cannot do like miracles at the time. Maybe it's going to improve even better later on. You can also, once you download the enhanced image, you can also try to add images like characters or plants and other details with Photoshop or other graphic design, and then upload it again in Krea and then enhance it again. Now you can see there is a big difference between one and the other. So it definitely improved also this other image, but still we can do a lot of stuff here to improve it. So this will be all for this guide. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe to the channel to stay updated. If you want, you can join the channel to support us and check our other courses and guides that we publish every day. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video guide.